So, okay, I am here and I don't know how to say this, pero may sinasalihan ako ngayon na Catholic Religious Association or group here. So today is my 7th Sunday. Yes, dapat meron akong 8 Sundays bago ga-graduate. So this is my 7th Sundays na, and today meron daw pray over. So excited din. Hello, bulo. Ay, tanong. So, ayan. Tinanong ako kung dala ko yung aking name tag. Ay, hindi ko dinadala na yun. So, wala nang binigay ko. So, gagawa na lang ako ng bago. So, ang group na to is Handmaid of the Lord. Catholic pa rin siya. Catholic yung faith niya. Ito na yung name tag ko. Ginawa na lang ako ng bago. So, dalawa na kami. Hindi para isalin. Sa ako ang vlog. Okay lang daw siya. So, ito kasama ko. Bago. Pareho kaming bago. Pila kaya tatanan gani? Bago?
Full IC.
So, 11 kami lahat na mga bago. So, pray over ngayon. 7 Sunday na tanong? 7 Sunday. So, isang Sunday na lang. Graduate na ta? Yeah. 8 Sundays kasi bago graduate sa session. So, ayan na. Marami na kami ngayon.
Together forever, oh, sing His praises, magnify the Lord. The angel of the Lord encamps round those who fear His name, to save them and deliver them from harm. Though lions roar in hunger, we laugh for no good thing. No wonder then we praise Him with our song. Let us exalt His name together forever. I sought the Lord, He heard me and delivered me from my fears. Let us exalt His name together forever. Oh, sing His praises, magnify the Lord. Come, children, now and hear me. It's you who see long life. Just keep your lips from wickedness and lies. Give still and turn from evil. Seek peace instead of strife. Love righteousness, and God will hear your cry. Let us exalt His name together forever. We'll sing His praises, magnify the Lord. Let us exalt His name together forever. I sought the Lord, He heard me and delivered me from my fears. Let us exalt His name together forever. Oh, sing His praises, magnify the Lord.
Dalhin niyo yung kanta with your sa puso at isipan. O ang puso de bantad at
Hindi ko na ano kaya. We offer your Nara ka? Ay, ko nadala ko.
Okay. Karon na hapon, may ara ka speaker. Ang aton na speaker, ang aton na provincial coordinator, this is Mary. Palakpakan natin siya.
Ayan guys, eating time na kami.
Parehas ng ka-music nga, ng makasuna. Sa slow song. Feel it na mo na.
So meron kaming arroz caldo, juice, tinapay, tsaka ano yan? Kakanin siguro yan. So after the fry over, naiyak talaga ako. Kasi tulo yung luha ko, tsaka sipon. So ayan. Ay, ano ng tubig? Balik ko ano.
Nagsabot na sa unapay.
Pwede ka baka masundungan mo?
Session 6. Sabi ko session 7 na ta.